Good morning. It is Friday. I'm here to work on my shoulders routine. Got home from the Keys at midnight last night, and a little tired. Only got about 4 hours of sleep. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Might do the mountain bike ride this afternoon too. Yesterday I had a really good workout with paddleboarding, but I think I ate too much carbs, man. I came back and I weighed like 204.5. I left weighing 200. So a lot of water weight, a lot of carbs. So hopefully I can shut that down and be down to 200 by the weekend. The bike ride was very successful, burning a 980 calories in just a little over 1 hour. Now, did the protein shake deal with some creatine mixed in there for recovery purposes, sweet potato, and a banana. So I downed about 300 calories right there. Oh, and half a can of Coke. So 300 calories to get the 900, lost some of the 900 calories back. Now it's lunchtime. It's about 1:20. Heading to the Mexican Midway flea market to get some fruits and vegetables. It's always a good deal there, so I like to go there on the weekends. I will go there right now, probably get some mangoes and some papaya, and probably get a quesadillas, chicken quesadillas, high in proteins. And I'm definitely gonna need some fat. My body's craving some fat right now, so I'm probably gonna do that. And it's very low in carbs. If you think about it, it's just a tortilla, one tortilla. So that should be a good, cheesy, yummy chicken quesadillas. What else? What else is there? Actually feel a little tired for a bike ride. I do chest and triceps tomorrow. And like I said, I'm very, very happy that I am below 200 for the first time in like 9 years. Feel good. I'm wearing a large now instead of an XL. I'm also wearing 35 pants now instead of a 38, which I was wearing 3 months ago. And sometimes those 38s look kind of tight. Ugh. So, very, very happy with the situation right now. Just feel the old age, the pain in the joints and stuff. That doesn't exactly go away, but there's nothing I can do about that. Maybe I should take some clostamine or something like that they always sell in these ads. I don't know if that even works or not, or just an aspirin. I'm riding my road bike, trying to get some cardio in before the workout tomorrow. It's 45 minutes so far, and I'm turning around. Hold on a second. Stop sign. Do want to get run over again. So, yes, I'm on my, let me change the exposure there. On my bike ride here. Woo! Heart rate's at about 155 average, which is crazy. But burn some calories. Happy to say, below 200 pounds for the first time in like 9 years. So I'm very happy about that right now. Get back on the road. Okay, just got done with the chest and tricep workout, about 21 sets. Wow, I'm tired today. Even though I weighed 196.6 today, which is the lightest I've weighed in probably 10 years at the scale. Even though I felt weak just on the chest exercise, the only difference is I warmed up quite a bit on the chest exercise. So hopefully that's just the case. Everything else I felt fine. I actually increased my weights in a couple of things here. That's what I look like for today. Let me see. So you can see me. That's what I look like for today. Yeah. Profile shot here. Still got the fat right there. But otherwise felt pretty good. Did the cycling yesterday, so Might contribute to some fatigue factor, but my chest had issues with it. But then again, I did more warm-up today, so that's probably it. Otherwise, I did status quo and everything else. Now to go home, drink a protein shake. After a nice shower, now it's time for me to eat my foods. What I have here is, of course, the regular old, chicken breast, baked with some northern beans here, good protein, good fiber, and of course my starch, which is brown rice I had left over from the other day. So easy to do, easy to prepare. This way I don't like go out and eat some fast foods and stuff. What I also try to do is make my meal real easy to access, right? So I went ahead and opened some cans of green beans. Green beans, this is my northern beans, and this is my black beans. These are all good stuff for you, even though it's canned, it's much better than the stuff that I would get really fast, you know? So I can't say it's perfect food for you, but it's pretty darn good. I mean, I try to get stuff that's really low in sodium. I try to get stuff that's high in protein. Fats I'm not really worried about. Carbs I'm not really worried about either, as long as it's not like simple sugars and stuff like that. Let me see. There you go. Simple sugars and stuff like that. I try to stay away from simple sugars. Not that it's bad for you, but too much of it, you know, converts into, the body handles it a little differently, and try to avoid insulin spikes. Insulin spikes, you know, has the ability to store fat. So I try to stay not totally carb-free or anything like that. I have plenty of carbs during the day, as you can see with the beans and the rice. But I try to make it, you know, not the center part of my food. I'm not going to go out and eat some crepes and eat some donuts and stuff like that. Not that it's bad for you in moderation. It's just that they pack high calories and your body takes that differently. You know, it reacts to carbs much different than it reacts to protein. And carbs make you retain water too. So when I eat it, I feel very, very bloated and heavy and all that stuff. So I try to stay away from it all. So I'm enjoying my meal now. And like I said, this morning I weighed 196.8, which is the lightest I've weighed in forever. So feel good, moving on, getting over the plateau. Bam.